and it looks like a sunburn. I don't know why I find that cute, but I just think it is. This is not a tutorial, this is just how I do it. I might be wrong. Okay, this is as good as it can get. Okay, I'm here. And that is the picture that we're going to work with. Oigan, estoy editando y me di cuenta de dos cosas. La primera es que durante el video estoy muy seria, no sé por qué, no sé qué me pasó. Y la segunda cosa es que olvidé decirles que si gustan pueden activar los subtítulos. Se hacen automáticamente, así que espero que funcionen. Y pues ya, eso fue todo. Yo soy INGLÉS Sparks. I hope you're doing great. And yes, I am going to be speaking in English for this whole video. I had this idea where I was going to show you how I prepare myself, how I do my makeup and take my pictures and edit them to upload them to Instagram, and how I have my feeds ordered and whatever. But then I realized that that idea was pretty boring. So I thought that maybe I would do it in English. I have been learning English since I was like 5 or 6 years old, but I am still learning, so if you hear that I say something wrong or that I can do it better, it would be really helpful if you write it down in the comment section. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. If you know me for a little while, you know that I don't have a lot of experience with makeup. I just know like basic stuff. But not long ago I made this video where I ran out of ideas and I just started talking, and I did this makeup where it was pretty basic, but I used a red lipstick for an eyeliner and I really liked that look. So we're going to do that again, and that is the makeup that I'm going for. Okay, first I will be preparing my skin. I already used this facial mist, and now I will be using this moisturizing gel. This is kind of my primer because I do not own a primer, so this is what I use. And now that I use that, we're going straight with my foundation. I am going to be using this matte poreless foundation by Maybelline. I don't know why I'm saying I am using this from all of my foundations, I just have this one. And I will be applying it with this sponge. I don't want to use more, I think this is enough. Okay, now we're going for concealer. I am going to be using this by MAC, and I will just use it for my under eyes. Yeah. In school, they didn't teach you a lot of makeup vocabulary. You just learn it like in videos, because most of beauty bloggers are from United States, like James Charles, Nikki Tutorials. And that's all I know. Okay, I don't know if you realized, but I already did my eyebrows. Well, did my eyebrows. What I do is I just put some mascara on my eyebrows. Yes, mascara. And I like them. I don't know, I don't think they need much more. So I will just go on. The last time that I did my makeup, that was like a week ago. I used this mineral powder foundation, and I didn't like it because I don't think that my skin is made for that. It gets my skin really dry, so we're going to skip that step, and we're going straight for blush. For blush, I will be using this by Clinique. It's the shade Innocent Peach. I really like when girls use a lot of blush, like when they take it up to their nose and it looks like a sunburn. I don't know why I find that cute, but I just think it is. Now we're going for the eyeliner that I told you that I do it with my lipstick. So I am going to be using this lipstick by Clinique in the shade Matte Crimson. I like it because it's like really red. So yeah. I was forgetting something. I do not know how to put on eyeliner without something that helps me. So for that, I will be using tape. This is the only way that I can do it, and it turns out pretty cute. So I will continue doing it until I master the art of eyeliner. So what I try to do is to put the tape in the tip of my eye, in my eye corner, I think that's how it's called, and place it right where my eyebrow ends. This is not a tutorial, this is just how I do it. I might be wrong. Okay, this is as good as it can get, so I think I will try to do it from here. Wish me luck. I think I will mess up. I'm sorry. I don't have that much faith in myself when it comes to eyeliner. Okay, so far so good, so far so good. Okay, if I keep going, I think I am going to mess up, so I will stop there and start doing it on the other side. This is the best part or the worst part. It's time for the revealing. I want to see. What the f— No. Ok, tengo que decirlo en español. ¿No vieron? Porque no lo grabé, pero acabo de estornudar y valió queso todo. Valió queso todo. Vean, tengo rojo aquí abajo. No manches. Okay, we're going back to English. Okay, I think I fixed it. I just put on some concealer and it's okay. Now I just need to curl my lashes and put on some mascara and lipstick and I'm done. Okay, I'm done curling my lashes and now I am going to be using this mascara by Yuya. This is my third time using it and I like it. It's okay. It makes your lashes look really long and beautiful. Okay, this is how your eyelashes end up looking. And for my lips, I will be using this lip gloss by Seitu. I just apply a little bit on my bottom lip and that is enough. I mean, I just do this. And then I spray it a little bit with my finger. And that's it. Okay, now that I have my makeup done and my outfit done, my outfit is just this white dress that I bought from Shein. I will go outside in a minute to take my pictures, but before that I will explain you how I do it. It's actually really simple. I just take my phone and I put it on my tripod. If you don't have a tripod, you can use a chair. I used to use a chair, but I don't take the pictures on my own. I mean, I don't use the timer, the 3, 2, 1 picture. No, I just put my phone on video and I start recording. Then while I am recording, I, pose like however I want. And then I'll get a footage of like 3 or 5 minutes. And from that video, I don't know how to explain this part, not even in Spanish. I just watch the video and then I pause it whenever I see that I did a good pose or I like it, and I screenshot that part, and that's how I get my pictures. If you're not understanding anything that I'm saying, I will explain it later with my phone so you can see how I did it. But now I am going to go out and take the pictures. And yeah, okay, I'm here. So when you're looking for a place to take a picture, you have to make sure that you have a really good light, because that is going to help you a lot. I am talking quietly because I am outside and I don't want anyone to hear me, but whatever. And if you don't know how to pose, you can just look for poses para fotos, and that is how you're going to get a lot of inspiration and really good pictures. Ooh, I'm sweating. Okay, so here's the video that I took. I just watch it. I know that it's awkward just watching me posing. And when I see something that I like right there, I just pause it. I screenshot that part of the video, and that is the picture that we're going to work with. Right now, my Instagram feed is not as aesthetically pleasing as I would like it to be, but I am trying. So what I'm going to do with this picture is that I am going to edit it the same way that I did with my previous pictures on my Instagram. And for that, I am going to be using this app called Lightroom. I have been using this app a lot to edit all my Instagram pictures, but lately I have been trying to use this thing called Lightroom presets. When you're in Lightroom, you can change a lot of things like brightness or saturation and that kind of stuff. And if you like a particular combination of settings, you can save them as presets. So whenever you are going to edit another picture, you just put that preset that is going to put the same adjustments that you did on your previous picture. And that is how you get like this consistent theme in all your Instagram feed. Why does this matter? It actually doesn't, but it just looks cute. Look, here are some examples. It looks cute. And that's it. That is all the process that is behind an Instagram picture. Y bueno, ya. Esto fue todo por el video de hoy. Espero que les haya gustado, que me hayan entendido. Si les gustó, acuérdense de darle like, suscribirse, activar la campanita. Subo video cada viernes y ya. Bye!
Darling, you